everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful coasters. It is an easy pattern and they work up quickly. This is a perfect last minute gift idea to make, and they're measuring at 5.5 inches. For this project I'm using yarn by Loops and Threads. It's a number 4 medium weight yarn and it is 100% cotton yarn, and the colors are called Key Lime and Bubble Gum. You don't have to use this yarn, you can use any yarn of your choice, just make sure it's 100% cotton yarn. And you're also going to need your 4mm crochet hook. We're going to start with the slip knot and a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch into the first chain to join. And we're going to use this circle right here, or this ring that we made, and we're going to work our double crochets in there. For round 1, we're going to start with the chain 3. This chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. Work 15 double crochets into this ring. So not counting this one, we're going to work 15 double crochets into this ring. Here's 1, 2, and I am holding on to the yarn tail as I work on my double crochets to work it in. 3, 4. You're going to continue and work on your double crochets, and if it's getting too tight for you to work your double crochets, you can push this double crochets to the side and it'll open up more room. Continue working on your 15 double crochets, not including this chain 3, and I'll meet you back at the end. At the end of round 1, this is how it looks like. With this chain 3, we have a total of 16 double crochets. You can go ahead and pull on this yarn tail to tighten the center a little bit. And now to end this round, we're going to slip stitch using the top of the 3rd chain. So right over here, count 1, 2, 3, and into this chain, you can go ahead and slip stitch. Pick up both loops. For round 2, we're going to start by chaining 5. This chain 5 stands as the first double crochet with the chain 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into the next stitch, which is right over here, you're going to work 1 double crochet. Now go ahead and chain 2 and work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2 and work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. And this is the repeat of this round. You're going to chain 2 and work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2 and work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Continue working around, chaining 2 and working 1 double crochet into the stitches, and at the end you will have 16 chain 2 spaces, which includes this chain 5 right here. At the end of round 2, I have 1 double crochet left. I went ahead and I chained 2, and now I'm going to work 1 double crochet using that last stitch, and to end, chain 2 and slip stitch using the 3rd chain. So count from the bottom. Here's 1, 2, 3. Into this chain, go ahead and slip stitch to end round 2. And at the end, we should have 16 chain 2 spaces. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. For round 3, we're going to start by slip stitching into this first chain 2 space. So slip stitch, chain 3. This chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. Work 1 double crochet back into the same chain 2 space. Chain 3 and work 2 double crochet back into that same chain 2 space. Here's 1, and work 1 more double crochet back into that same chain 2 space. Chain 1 You're going to skip this chain 2 space, and into the next chain 2 space you're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. Here's 1 double crochet, go back and work another double crochet. So we have 2 double crochets, chain 3, and work 2 more double crochets back into that same chain 2 space. Chain 1, skip this chain 2 space, and into the next chain 2 space work 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. Here's 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, work 2 double crochets back into that same chain 2 space. Chain 1, skip the next chain 2 space and repeat again. Into the following chain 2 space work 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. Chain 1, skip the next chain 2 space, and into the following chain 2 space you're going to repeat. Continue working on this pattern around, and I'll meet you at the end of this round to show you how to finish it. I'm coming to the end of round 3, and right over here I worked 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets, and I have 1 chain 2 space left. I'm going to chain 1 and now slip stitch using the top of the 3rd chain to end this round. And at the end we have a total of 8 chain 3 spaces. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Round 4 will be our last round, and we're going to start by chaining 1. This chain 1 doesn't count for a stitch. Back into this chain 1 space where we just finished round 3, go ahead and work 1 single crochet. Right over here into this chain 3 space, the first chain 3 space, work 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Into the chain 1 space from the previous round, which is right over here between these 2 double crochets and these double crochets, there's the chain 1 space. Into that chain 1 space, go ahead and work 1 single crochet. And we're going to repeat again. Into this chain 3 space, work 9 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's too tight, pull on them to the side and then it'll open up more room. 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now into the chain 1 space between the double crochets of the previous round, which is right here, work 1 single crochet. You're going to continue on this pattern. You're going to work 9 double crochets using the chain 3 spaces, and then the chain 1 spaces you're going to work a single crochet. Continue working and I'll meet you at the end. At the end of round 4, this is how it looks like, and I went ahead and I worked my 9 double crochets using the last chain 3 space. And right over here where we started our round, we already worked the single crochet, and all we're going to do is just slip stitch using that first single crochet. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Pull out your hook, tighten it, and at the end we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals, or 9 double crochets. To weave in the yarn tails, I went ahead and I cut this one. We already worked on it in the beginning of the round, and for this one I'm just going to use my needle and just bring it on the inside of the work. And right over here, using these double crochets, back loops only, I'm just going to go ahead and insert my needle and pull through. And then come right back, dropping one loop. And one more time, just go back. You can drop one loop and pick up more double crochets. And if your yarn tail came out of the needle, all you have to do is just place it back in. And then pull through. And you can go ahead and cut this yarn tail. And you are finished. And here's our finished coaster. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.